Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hussein Bahidra, and I'm the head of operations in Integrated Dawiyat, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Saudi Electricity Company in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. It's my pleasure to be part of this forum and share our mutual success story as a global reference for on-them best practices. Saudi Electricity Company is the biggest utility company in MENA region and is the only electric power utility in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, which has power generation capacity of 50 plus gigawatt. Integrated Dawiyat was established in 2009 with the aim of monetizing the company network infrastructure, resources, and capabilities. Long-haul and metro network capabilities include 72,000 kilometers of fiber optic transmission network with 1,500 national points of interconnections and 3 future international points of interconnections. While access network capabilities include 150,000 electric transmission towers and 141 telecom towers, 1,000 plus transmission substations, and 384 independent telecom poles. Now, Dawiyat has access to extensive network infrastructure and capabilities with its unique neutral positioning in Saudi ICT market. Keeping these aspects in mind, Dawiyat was granted a carrier service provider license to offer infrastructure services in 2016. In 2017, Dawiyat was mandated by the Ministry of Communication and Information Technology to roll out FTTH infrastructure of 744,000 households, and in 2018 was also awarded with the wholesale infrastructure license. As awarded by MCIT and also as a key contributor in National Broadband Initiative, which is also in line with KSA Vision of 2030, Dawiyat delivers and maintains 744,000 households. The key strategic objectives of MBI are to provide broadband and services to all KSA regions by stimulating investment in infrastructure, increase FTTH coverage in dense urban and urban areas, increase percentage of internet users. Considering Dawiyat as infrastructure service provider, let's have a look at Dawiyat FTTH open access network architecture, which makes it a unique and complex network architecture to operate and maintain. As seen in above picture right section of the network topology is L3 service platform network from RSP, i.e. retail service provider, also known as access seeker, with point of handover for network traffic. Whereas the Dawiyat FTTH open access network topology is a typical L2 wholesale network infrastructure, also known as access provider. Left section of the network topology also highlights another demarcation point between access seeker and access provider, where L2 network till ONT is under responsibility of access provider, while L3 home access gateway aka CPE and onward is under responsibility of access seeker. In addition to this below diagram depicts the Dawiyat FTTH open access network design, which shows the capability of network to host not only the multiple access seeker service over single GPON OLT, but also capable to host multiple access seeker services over multiple ports of a single OLT. This is the real essence of FTTH open access network architecture, where end users have full leverage to select and choose any of the available ISPs on their products, based on their products offering a value proposition and customer care, with Dawiyat providing the neutral infrastructure and level playing fields to all access seekers. But this also comes with inherent complexity and challenges to be discussed in the next slide. This slide reflects the top 3 inherent on-them challenges for operating and maintaining such FTTH open access network, which are namely operational complexity, multi-tier customer satisfaction management, and operational efficiency. And these challenges are further compounded with the presence of the following factors: fault demarcation challenges in heavily interconnected access seekers and access provider networks, multi-stakeholder service fulfillment and service assurance processes, maintaining high network availability to guarantee the service availability to the end user and access seeker, maintaining a stable network performance to ensure capability for hosting multiple access seekers over the same network, and end-to-end workflow orchestration to ensure smooth governance in such complex operational environment. Considering the long-term strategic partnership between Dawiyat and Huawei, this shows the engagement model with management team buy-in and FTTH on-them organization structures from both Dawiyat side and Huawei side. which operates mutually to mitigate the inherent challenges associated with operating and maintaining FTTH open access network. Our FTTH on-them organization is well structured and designed three layers of level 1, level 2, level 3 on-them services, which are distributed across all cities of Saudi Arabia to guarantee the required Dawiyat FTTH network on-them performance. In this slide, we do a retrospect to summarize all the key footprints and key milestones achieved together in this mutual journey of Dawiyat and Huawei related to Dawiyat Open Access FTTH on-them, which are: in September 2018, a successful commercial launch of Dawiyat Open Access FTTH on-them services with the first access seeker, that is Zain Case A. In February 2019, successful launch of Go and Go Live with Dawiyat FTTH Service Fulfillment OSS for zero-touch provisioning. In March 2019, successful demonstration of Dawiyat FTTH on-them capabilities to the Ministry of Communication and Information Technology in City of Hyde. In July 2019, successful commercial launch of Dawiyat Open Access FTTH on-them services with the second access seeker, that is ITC. In August 2019, successful API-based integration between Dawiyat OM and ITC CRM system for full automation in service fulfillment. In October 2019, successful API-based integration between Dawiyat OM and Zain CRM system for full automation in service fulfillment. And finally, in June 2020, successful commercial launch of Dawiyat Open Access FTTH service for 5 access seekers: ITC, Mobile, STC, Adib, and Zain, and the journey still continues. With earlier discussed inherent on-them challenges associated with Dawiyat FTTH Open Access Network, it was required to have robust and holistic solution approach, which not only considered the requirement and challenges specific to Dawiyat, but also at the same time bring into consideration industry best practices and global experience and customize them to local requirements. This has been achieved with this highlighted Huawei on-them framework, whose first phase was focused on business alignment toward Dawiyat FTTH Open Access Network on-them requirements and challenges. Second phase was establishment and execution of operating map, which focused on Dawiyat business alignment with the Huawei FTTH on-them functions, like process establishment, on-them organization setup, operating governance, and system/tools utilization. These all aspects need to be aligned together to achieve efficient FTTH on-them delivery. Phase 3 was focused on establishment of continuous improvement cycle, which takes into consideration not only the feedback results, but as well as the changes in operational requirement during the course of time to ensure the operating maps are being updated regularly. In the coming slides, we will focus on the outcome of this Dawiyat FTTH on-them framework and its associated results and achievements. As we can see that with the establishment of key on-them processes aligned with Dawiyat business requirements, we mutually output the L6 customized on-them processes for Dawiyat Open Access FTTH on-them. As in case of change management process, all the business process alignments from Dawiyat side were incorporated, as well as the industry best practices and global experience related to Huawei change management process were implemented to ensure the desired results. For example, Huawei JTAC mock review for critical change activities, Huawei R&D lab simulation results for critical change activities, and Huawei JTAC remote assurance for critical change activities. All these help to achieve zero man-made incident in Dawiyat FTTH on-them and maintain FTTH network availability of more than 4 nines. Similarly, with the establishment of level 6 customized Dawiyat FTTH critical incident management process and capability to establish Huawei JTAC war room within 15 minutes of any Dawiyat critical incidents, if any, help to maintain 100% SLA conformance and ensure that any critical incident, if any, should be resolved within minimum possible time. In the similar manner, quarterly online health check and network audit and its assessment and recommendation from R&D has helped to mitigate the risk proactively before they appear. These proactive measures have resulted in achieving FTTH customer complaints rate less than 1%, which is one of the best in the market. This is an excellent indicator of maturity of on-them processes and operational governance being mutually implemented by both Dawiyat and Huawei. Establishment of mechanism to output daily FTTH performance and health check reports has enabled us to achieve zero performance degradation in Dawiyat FTTH. At the same time, daily FTTH network traffic analysis per access seeker, FTTH OLT uplink utilization percentage, and weekly traffic growth comparison has also enabled proactive capacity planning for Dawiyat FTTH open access network. These measures related to robust and stable network performance have ensured that the access seekers do not face any issue due to network performance degradation. By deployment of service fulfillment OSS, we have achieved zero-touch service provisioning. End-to-end workflow orchestration has been implemented in service fulfillment OSS, which are related to the following workflows: order activation and deactivation, relocation, and package change. Internal APIs between the service fulfillment OSS modules, namely order management, activation management, inventory management, workforce management, have ensured that service order lifecycle is fully automated. Similarly, by means of external API integration achieved between Dawiyat OSS and Access Seeker CRM systems for service order lifecycle management, it is possible to fully automate and align the business processes among Access Seeker and access providers with clear KPI and SLA demarcation and measurement. As a result of this, Dawiyat has achieved service fulfillment ticket closed within 24 hours more than 94%, and customer satisfaction achieved for service fulfillment tickets closed more than 97%. These are one of the best performance indicators levels achieved in the market. This is a classical example of comparing traditional FTTH on-demand procedures utilizing extensive field resources and external OTDRs versus Dawiyat efficient FTTH on-demand process utilizing the inline remote OTDR testing for higher operational efficiency as well as OPEX saving. Traditional FTTH on-demand follow the sequence of mentioned standard steps, which are mainly manual in nature, complex by design, and time-consuming at the same time. Our efficient FTTH on-demand function are realized via the deployment of inline remote OTDR testing solutions, that is N2 510. This result in operational efficiency enhancement of 60% and estimated OPEX saving of 4,683 Riyal per fault. While we have discussed O&M challenges being faced in Dawiyat FTTH open access network along with their mitigation solution and results, COVID-19 pandemic has impacted O&M all across the world, and finding the right balance between business continuity management as well as personal safety has been a daunting challenge of its own. This slide highlights the mutual strategy between Dawiyat and Huawei FTTH on-demand being followed as operation governance under the challenging circumstances. We achieved 100% FTTH network availability during COVID-19 lockdown and curfew situation due to implementation of mentioned BCM plan. Here we present the Operation Excellence Roadmap for Dawiyat with its current status at network-centric operations. It will further evolve into service-centric operations, expected to be completed by the end of this year. Next level operational transformation is envisioned to be on customer-centric operations to be realized by 2022.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Chen Yue from Integration Service Department of Huawei Enterprise BG. We moved the launch online. I hope all of you are well. Huawei is making continuous explorations to help customers in their digital transformation. I'm honored to introduce a product that supports this goal, Huawei Digital Operation Support Service Solution. Today, digital transformation has seen an explosive development. According to IDC, 51% of global IT budgets will be for digital innovation and transformation by 2024. More customers are moving into the hard part of the journey. Enterprises which have deployed cloud, IoT, big data, and AI are able to break the data and system silos and have seen a leapfrog improvement. However, there are no effective processes, methods, and platforms to gain continuous business value from the transformation. Their pace is slowing down. Therefore, enterprise needs to establish a model of continuous value creation that is an operation system which enables cycles of innovation and change to launch itself into a new growth trajectory and benefit in the long run. In the past decade, digital operations have been evolving constantly, and there is a shift from stable, reliable, and secure operation to also user satisfaction, agility, and financial benefits. With this shift of focus, we are seeing three features of digital operation. Diversified operation scenarios, such as smart cities and smart airports, are emerging as a result of difference in digital maturity and industry characteristics. Data insight has become the main focus of next steps as it simplifies decision-making process, and it is a core competence to realize the value of digital. In the face of complex technical architecture and open technologies, Huawei taps into our partners' products and services to provide an advanced platform for developing digital capabilities. Digital operation is undoubtedly a new journey. Industry customers will face many challenges in the process, such as how to articulate the value, enable free flow of data, and have the right operation system, platforms, and technologies. First, the lack of KPIs to measure value makes it difficult for customers to identify benefits on the customer side, supply side, and management side. Second, the use of digital systems from various vendors is likely to result in multiple data standards and formats, making it difficult for data to flow freely and enable decision-making. Most enterprises rely on engineers as the core of digital operation and have no holistic organizational support such as operations teams, processes, and standards, so it is a challenge to involve and collaborate with the business teams. In addition, the operation platform does not support real-time KPI monitoring, issue analysis, collaboration, and continuous improvement. These are the main challenges in the transformation process. With the deep understanding of customer pain points in different industries, Huawei is launching a digital operation support solution that features data insight, automation, and Huawei's own digital operation expertise to help customers realize digital values. Our solution covers the different aspects of operation, including systems, platforms, scenarios, and ecosystem. It provides one-stop support services, including management system planning, operation platform building, scenario-based operation support, and continuous improvement. I'll talk about the highlights of the solution. First, operation management system is the basis for digital operation. Based on the operation framework of specific industries, we develop customized operation management systems covering operation strategy, organization, method, culture, and value management, informed by Huawei's experience in digital transformation projects. This includes management methods of digital operation organizations, design and development standards of operation solutions, and a systematic set of key metrics. With such a reference operation management architecture, we can adapt and build quickly the operation organizations, processes, and rules to customer requirements to accelerate the transformation. The Digital Operation Support Platform is the core of Huawei Digital Operation Support Service. It comes from Huawei's internal digital operation technical platform and has been evolving and improving. It has been used in smart city and transportation industries. The support platform provides 5 functions: online real-time solution planning and design, operation status visualization, root cause analysis, collaborative command, and industry asset management. In addition, it has 4 built-in topics, namely application assets, IT assets, cloud services, and data assets, and other topics to cover more business scenarios. This solution provides end-to-end agile operation support for 3 types of industry operation users, greatly improving the operation efficiency and cost of industry customers. Operation support services drives operation excellence. The 3 major operation support services, applications, industry assets, and digital platforms help improve the efficiency of digital operation. First, application operation support. This includes professional services such as business value system building, monitoring and analysis, high-value feature management, user operation, and product operation. Such support services can improve user loyalty and TTM and accelerate product innovation and business agility. Second, industry asset operation support. This provides full lifecycle management for data assets, IT assets, and IT service assets, and maximizes the value of data assets through data analysis services. Third, digital platform operation support. This includes architecture maintenance, evolution planning, and platform capability accumulation, enabling customers to smoothly evolve the platform architecture and enhance platform service capabilities. Scenario-based operation is the advantage of Huawei's digital operation. We are committed to providing optimal combination of services to meet the requirements of different industry scenarios, enhancing service capabilities by learning from real practice and continuously consolidating Huawei service advantages in various industry scenarios. Currently, this offering is commercially deployed in 3 industry scenarios: smart city, smart government, and smart airport. In the smart city IoC scenario, we provide continuous optimization and evolution services for topics such as city operation and economic analysis. The data asset operation service enables data importing from multiple government departments. In addition, Huawei provides highly responsive digital assurance to key events such as disease control and emergency response. In smart government scenario, we use middle platform services to encapsulate common capabilities to support fast orchestration of government service processes. In smart airport scenario, we build airport operation metric systems for airport operation and control, airport services, and security. In addition to deploying such applications, we are also tasked to operate them, so scenario-based operation capabilities is Huawei's strength in industry digital transformation. Meanwhile, ecosystem partners are key to Huawei's operation support service solution. Now we have over 30 industry service partners and 10 professional tool partners, so we can continue to enhance our professional service capabilities and our digital operation support platform. In addition, we hope to rally more and more partners to provide more professional operation support services for industry customers and build the future together. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the full view of Huawei Digital Operation Support Service Solution. Based on Huawei Digital Operation Support Platform and ecosystem, Huawei provides customers with 1 operation management system, 3 major operation support services, and N scenario-based solutions to continuously gain value from operation assets and platforms and help our industry customers achieve digital operation success. It is not enough for us to work alone in the digital operation transformation process. We must work closely with customers and partners to show the responsibilities of digital operation transformation, achieving more value with operation excellence. Here, I'm pleased to launch Huawei Digital Operation Support Service Solution, a service solution centered on our digital operation support platform. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Elena Mănățuică. Welcome to Huawei Connect 2020 service session. I'm very glad today to be your host for the simulation of the virtual tour of one of Huawei Enterprise Global Service Center, namely Romania JSC. We will start with the reception area. First of all, I'd like to mention that this is located in Bucharest and has an area of 1,900 square meters. We go initially in the exhibition hall, and we start with our most important trophies and rewards that we received. Among these, we have the TSIA, Technology Service Industry Association, rated outstanding for assisted and self-support services that we were granted in 2019 for reaching the best standards, highest standards among 220 practices in the ICT industry. Here we have the visit photos of our customers and partners starting March 2017. And these are our most important certificates. We have one for the management system quality and also the ISO 27001 for info security. This guarantees that Huawei can ensure the availability, confidentiality, and integrity of the information on our customers' networks. I would like to continue now with a brief introduction of the JSC and the services we offer. We have established globally 3 global service centers, one in Romania, the other one in Mexico, and another one in China. Besides this, we have 5 regional technical assistance centers and 3 country techs. The JSC provides different types of support services. So besides technical assistance, we also have remote delivery, network operation, and channel-oriented support services. On this screen, we have the SR Global Map monitoring. This means that from here, we can monitor all the KPIs, all the service requests, and also the major incident and the management escalation for the service request we have around the world. And this system was developed in order to handle and ensure a faster resolution of all the customers' requests. On this screen, we have a video about the JSC and a small introduction on it. So let's watch it together.
Untitled Chapter developed with Huawei
Huawei offers a unique one-stop multi-service platform, providing fast and diversified services in 17 languages to help enterprises achieve digital transformation. With 3 global service centers, GSCs, and 5 regional technical assistance centers, TACs, Huawei provides 24/7 global spare parts replacement and cutting-edge remote delivery in cooperation with top logistics partners across the world. 3,800 Huawei experts from different countries collaborate with more than 2,900 global service partners and 26,000 engineers that provide professional services locally in over 170 countries. Huawei's Global Service Center, GSC, offers 4 major services: network O&M, technical support, remote delivery, and partner support. Huawei's professional network O&M and technical support help enterprises improve operational efficiency and network availability. Huawei actively promotes the use of information technologies by building remote delivery centers to accelerate deployment and achieve global collaboration.
This was the most important part of the video. And continuing, we have the spare parts capabilities around the world. We have established 1 global spare parts center in Shenzhen in China, 5 regional spare parts centers, and 122 country spare parts centers within key regions. Moreover, we have a regional spare parts logistics center around the world. And as you can see, we provide different types of service coverage according to the region and to the service contract. We continue with the Technical Assistance Center. This is the most important center of the Global Service Center. We have more than 500 engineers that can provide support for different types of services like remote troubleshooting, recovery, on-site work order dispatch, and so on and so forth. And they provide this in more than 17 languages. As you can see, we can be reached by phone, live chat, website, email, or intelligent chat and support community. And I would like now to introduce you the operation process to solve an SR, a service request. Once the customer care representative opens it, we can provide either standard or emergency support. The emergency support is provided in case of P1, P2 situations. This means that maybe the customer experiences service interruption. We provide further analysis and solution constitution and implementation. After this, we close the SR once we have the customer or partner's confirmation that the problem was solved. And since Huawei core value is the stay customer-centric value, we also send a service survey to make sure that we can improve our services. The workflow of the SR is from the customer care representative to the service 1 customer service engineer, and then to the product support engineer. If needed, we can escalate it to the level 3, research and development engineer. And in case the on-site support operation is needed, we can escalate the ticket from the customer service engineer to the field service engineer. Huawei also provides professional services together with its certified service solution partners. And among these, I would like to mention the type of services offered by the Global Network Operations Center in the JSC. And these are the X as a service type of services for providing 24/7 network surveillance for our customers. If we take the successful example of one of the customers, they have reduced their operation expenses by 30%. Also using these services, they have reduced the time for troubleshooting from 1.5 days to less than 1 hour. And also the number of alarms decreased by 70%. In order to support the growth of the Huawei ICT system, Huawei Enterprise has also developed a large and also very comprehensive ecosystem for certification. Our certification system covers all product lines and solutions. And as you can see, by 2024, we are planning to have certified 1 million ICT talents around the world. We are collaborating with industry associations, with learning partners and learning institutions to provide the certification and to have it opened to the customers, partners, students, and the large public. This is our conference room, the exhibition meeting room, where all our in-depth discussions are taking place during the visits. Our customers and partners meet here and discuss with the technical experts. Just across it, we have the Global Network Operations Center room. This has physical physical restricted access due to the confidentiality of the information that we have on the screens. Here is where our colleagues work 24/7 in shifts to provide network surveillance services for our customers, as we were saying. And on the left side of the screen, we have the ticketing tool. In the center, we have the eSite server, which helps them check the functionality of the devices on our customers' network, while the one on the right, the screens on the right, help our engineers to check the servers of all our customers. It's the e-service tool. They also have a war room for emergency situations. And we continue with the war room of the tech and GTech. In case of service interruption experienced by our customers or partners, here a group of recovery led by a recovery leader gather and try to find the best solution as fast as possible. We have gathered level 1, level 2, and level 3 engineer. And as you can see, the tables in each war room are round due to the fact that this facilitates the communication between the group members. We pass by the HCAE wall also. The Huawei Certified ICT Expert wall. These are also the certifications of our engineers, both local engineers and Chinese. The Huawei Certified ICT Expert is the highest level of certification in Huawei after HCAE and HCAP. And we are planning that by 2023 to have certified 230,000 experts in these HCAE fields. Here we have the remote delivery room. It's the office of the team that takes charge of network planning, design, implementation, and configuration of different projects, either remotely or on site. Remotely by using the different tools and platforms and guiding the on-site engineers of our customers and partners, or on site when there is need and they can go and travel on site to support the customers. Here is where our open spaces area begins and where we have the spare parts and the technical assistance center teams. Our colleagues that work here are in charge of 24/7 support for services like remote troubleshooting, remote recovery, also spare parts DOA, RMA, etc. As you can see, they are grouped in function of the product line of their teams. We have the IT, network energy, network team, transmission and access team, and so on and so forth. And besides this, we have the Romania JSC laboratory. The laboratory has 40 racks mounted with around 300 devices, all Huawei products. And these include all product line products like routers, switches, UCVC products, servers, storages, cloud computing products, firewalls, etc. We use it to build many typical solutions such as campus network, data center network, small and mid-sized WLAN, cloud computing, also video surveillance, security solutions, and so on. This lab supports 4 main functions, namely the solution verification, the online maintenance and troubleshooting mirror verification, the major change operation verification, and the service capability development. These were the main areas of the Huawei Enterprise JSC. Hope you enjoyed our tour. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to be your host today, and in the name of the whole Huawei Enterprise Service team, we thank you once again for your time and attention. If you are interested in visiting us on site, you are very welcome, and please contact your service management responsible from the local office or regional office from your area. Thank you. Have an excellent day. Bye-bye.